This is the Gummy Candy kitchen system. We can mix and dissolve raw materials here. Then, let me show you our electric cabinet. We all use kinds of international famous brand to ensure our machine stable and durable. You can see our machine runs quickly and smoothly. In this part, the cooked syrup be deposited into the candy mold. Then the molds will be transferred to the cooling tunnel through a protective cover. In the cooling tunnel, there is the air conditioner. The syrup in the molds will be cold and shaped, then the shaped candy be demolded on the conveyor belt.